Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of recovering the username of the online banking service of Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.kotak.com and hit in. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Now, at the top right, you'll be able to see an option, Login. Click on it. Once you are redirected to this page, click on Need Help option right here. Now, go to I want to know or create my password. To know or create your password, you'll have to enter your CRN or card number, enter the information, and if you don't know your CRN, then you can click right here. As it says here, your CRN is printed on your debit or credit card. So check your debit or credit card to find your CRN. And once you have found it, go back here and then enter it right here. Once you have done that, click on Next. After that, follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you'll be able to recover the username of the online banking service of Kotak Mahindra Bank. So, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.